Hi and welcome back to this channel. So today I am going to teach you how to add the rain on your Roblox Studio. So first of all, what you need to do is download this rain plugin on my screen right now, and I am going to have a link on the description box down below, and you will just need to click on it and then download the rain plugin. And then next, after you downloaded that Rain plugin, you will go to your Roblox Studio and then open your game and then go to the plugin section on top of your screen. And after that, you will see a cloud icon and it says editor right here. And you will going to click that one. And then after that, you're just going to check on this enabled. And then if you want to show the rain, you will need to check on the preview active. And that is how you add rain to your Roblox Studio. And I hope you learned something. And if you did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.